In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate a PDF document to any language using ChatGPT. This tutorial will guide you step by step through the process, ensuring that you're able to easily and efficiently use AI to translate your documents. So, let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open your web browser and head over to Google. It's a quick and familiar starting point for most of us, and from here, we'll access all the tools we need. Once you're on Google, go ahead and type ChatGPT into the search bar. This will bring up a list of results, and what we're specifically looking for is the official ChatGPT website. Find that link and give it a click to take you to the ChatGPT platform. Now that you're on the ChatGPT website, you should notice a plus sign on the interface. This is where you can add new content to be translated. Click on the plus sign, and a menu will appear, giving you the option to add files and photos. We want to focus on files, so click on the Add Photos and Files option. A file picker window will open, allowing you to browse through your computer's files. Navigate to the location of your PDF document. This is the file you wish to translate. Select your document and then click the Open button. This action uploads the file to ChatGPT, getting it ready for translation. Now, with the document loaded, it's time to tell ChatGPT what you want it to do. In the chat box, type in a prompt for the translation. For instance, you might write something like, "Translate this document from English to Spanish." Maintain a formal tone and preserve the original headings and structure as much as possible. This prompt instructs ChatGPT on how you'd like your document translated, emphasizing the tone and the details that need attention. Once you've typed your prompt, go ahead and click on the Submit button. ChatGPT will then process your request and work its magic, translating your document into the desired language. And there you have it. Your PDF document is now translated into the language of your choice using ChatGPT. This process not only saves time, but also ensures that the translation maintains the original context and structure, which is crucial for professional and formal documents. It's as simple as that, and with practice, it becomes a swift task that you can perform anytime you need. By following these steps, you'll harness the power of AI in linguistic translations, making it a handy tool in your digital toolkit. Don't forget to explore other features of ChatGPT, which can aid in numerous other tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy translating!